This is Arthur Peace. Welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys are doing great and having a nice day. Today, I'm gonna have talk with you guys about Meta and its one of its components, Facebook, and how we can utilize it for um, lead generating. So I kind of like opened this page and trying to maneuver and kind of like do some lead generation for my business, which is the marketing business. I mean, social media marketing and affiliate marketing. I'm trying to generate passive incomes as much as I can, because passive income is the key to success. It's the key to have you independent. I mean, make you independent, because I mean, if you guys are working in job, and I know some of you guys are making decent money, but job is a job. I mean, someday you don't want to do it. Like, you don't want to go to the job. You feel like this really, doesn't make sense. You know how that goes. So, beside that, if you have a source of passive income that will help you to understand, or kind of like give you the liberty to do some more stuff. Maybe you have two, three, five source of income, and then you're gonna have a way to use them for generating another income source. So I'm trying to do that. I mean, I do kind of like started doing that. I do work for the post office, and now I am having some time after having my newborn son. So I'm trying to do something for my family. I hope this video will help you to understand, and also kind of like inspire you all to to create more passive income sources. So here, if you guys are trying to start a business, or you have a business running, you might need to have a way to um, do some marketing, because you need to have people coming in to your store, or to your business, or to your service. Without people, without any customer, your business is not going to be more resourceful, not going to be more successful, because it's all about generating income. It's all about profits. So if you have a business running in, and you have kind of like struggling to get some more customers, or trying to know like, hey, I have a business but it's not working, how can I kind of like increase my opportunities, and let people know that this is what I'm doing. So I kind of like tried Meta for like one day, and I'm kind of like sharing with you guys how this works. I pretty much like it. It's really awesome. Yesterday I started it, and it's kind of like generated for me around like 80 leads. I was just trying it because honestly I have no idea about kind of like how this works, or how kind of like it's going to be more it's going to be helpful for me. So far it's helpful. So far it's created, and kind of like a vibe, and engagement is pretty good. I'm going to show you guys some results from my page. There's a very good way to see it. I mean, it's nowadays, if you are doing if you're running a YouTube channel, if you're kind of like trying to do business or anything else, it's all about data. How your data working, how your data is kind of like processing, how people are reacting to your business. It's all about data. So you have to have a knowledge to analysis, make an analyze, because without data analysis you cannot kind of like survive. So you need to know how data works, and how kind of like your business works. So it's really important. So let's see how it goes in there. I'm gonna try to log in here, as I'm trying to use Google Chrome. um Give me a second. Here's the information, guys. So I was trying to show you with my laptop, but it's kind of like not working in there. I think I kind of like mistakenly deleted it. So if you can see, I was trying to generate some leads, and these are the numbers. So it's kind of like generated 80 leads for me. It says 79, but I say like 80. And as you can see, it gives you how much it costs. So it costs like for every lead, it costs like 8 cents, which is really great. And I was telling you guys that I was running for like 2 days. So actually, it's not 2 days. I ran it for like less than 24 hours. It's kind of like I was just trying to give it a shot and see how it's working. So I spent around $6.50, and it reached like 16,609 people. Also, I'll let you know that you can kind of like set the areas or like countries from where you want to get your leads. So for example, I set Indian subcontinent, United States, and United Kingdom. Also I selected, I believe, Canada, Australia. So as you know, I was telling you guys that is for the I was giving it a shot. So it's generated pretty good impressions. So the impressions amount was almost like 17 and a half. So this is pretty great numbers. For me, I don't know. There are some professionals in who run YouTube videos like most often. They kind of like, if someone watching the video, or if you guys watch someone else video, you'll be able to understand that it's for me it's really very good number, and it's really affordable amount. So I'm gonna also share some other informations too. So it's showing it's ongoing, but I don't know why it's showing it's got deleted, because I was trying to figure it out, but somehow I think I pressed something. So as you can see, the audience in here, you can kind of like set up everything. So it's showing that I have to log into the computer to do it. So I'm not gonna go in that, because I was kind of like struggling to log into the computer, because it's not allowing me and showing me anything in there. So here, as you can see, I selected India, Pakistan, United States, Canada, France, Spain, Australia, Portugal, and United Kingdom for this ad. I mean, for my page. And I selected men and women who are over 18 can see my ad, and it's about passive income, ads, social media marketing, affiliate marketing, YouTube, etc. I mean, details are getting expanded. So what it's kind of like get is the email and the information, like people who are who clicks on it, they get it gets their information and their email address. And as you know, this is called lead generating. So I'm going to click on the thing in here and see what it's kind of like shows in here. So it shows the all the information about the campaign I ran, and it's given me the budget. So you can limit your budget in here. So if you want to spend like $3 and $6 in a day, I mean, you can set it. Again, you can set it. I mean, I think the $3 is the lowest one, and if you want higher, it's up to you. You can do whatever you want. You can also select the objectives. Sometime you can select lead generation. Sometime, if you want, it gives you opportunity to get the leads to contact you through your WhatsApp or your Messenger. So it depends on you how you want to do it, how you want to run it, or how you want to do it. And then also it's, let me see what is in here. So yeah, that's pretty much it right now. And the placement shows where it's gonna run. So for example, if you want to run on the devices, you can select in here mobile and desktop, and I'm just showing you guys from the mobile app. It's called Facebook Ads, and it's available in App Store, and it's available in the I'm sorry, in the Google Play Store, I believe. So I'm kind of like struggling sometime. I do struggle sometime. So I'm sorry about that. So you can download that and then you can start running the app. It's really convenient. It's kind of like really user friendly, and you can go through your app, or if you want detailed information, you can go through from your desktop or laptop or Apple MacBook, whatever you were using. So also the platforms, it gives you these opportunities right here. So you can run on Facebook, you can run on Instagram, and there's some other stuffs too. So you can do it. So also you can add, I mean, you can run literally everywhere in Instagram and Facebook. You can put it in Facebook stories. You can put it in the Instagram stories. You can put it in the Messenger stories, in stream. It's really convenient. You can run it in the Facebook in stream videos, Instagram videos, even in the Facebook search too. So there is like a lot of information in here. Also it's showing you can run into apps and sites too. So if you want to do it, it's really convenient for any businesses or any small businesses like mine that just starting or just started, or they have a really low budget. I mean, it's really convenient, and you can give it a shot. And I'm gonna show you guys how it works in the on the website. So I'm gonna cut it here right now, and I'm gonna move it to the website. I mean, to the laptop. All right, so I'm in here on my laptop. So I'm gonna go in the Ad Center and click on that, and I'm gonna go to the preferences. So the preferences is gonna show you like how, and how you wanna like. I mean, how you wanna set it up. So it's gonna ask you all this information, and it's gonna kind of like try to understand like how you wanna run your ads, and you can set your photos and videos in here. And what I was trying to say is I was trying to get all the information in here. So I will move to the in here. I'm going to try to get the information. So let's see. Yep, Ads Manager. And here I'm going to try to get the information about all the ads that I had. So as you can see, all the numbers in here. So what I did is I went in this here and I selected this information, ad set name, or you can even select the campaign and uncheck these. It's going to show you all the information in here. So far I ran two campaign in here, one for my YouTube channel video and one for my page to create lead. So I had reached 16,612 people, and my video reached like almost around 8,000 people. The impression rate was around 17 and a half for the lead, and for my video it was around 9,000. The frequency is 1.05 for the lead and 1.12 for the video. And as you can see, the total number of the people it reached and total number of impression it had. I mean the campaign heads. I mean the campaigns had. And the results that I was talking about. So I got message from 22 people in the messenger that I was telling you guys that you guys gonna have this option available, like where you want to set up the contacts, like using WhatsApp or any other source. I used Messenger, that I was using it for the first time, so I was trying to give it a shot. And I reached 20. I kind of like contacted by 22 people. Some people like saying hi. Some people are like saying, sending them money which doesn't make sense at all. I mean, you're gonna have maybe you're gonna have a lot of these stuff, but what you can do is you guys are always welcome to block them because they are like pretty bad, experience, because this is what you are not trying to get. You are trying to get customers. You are not trying to get people who wants random people who wants money in your messenger. And yeah, you're gonna have that. So just keep an eye on it. Just don't send any money to anybody and be careful. And ongoing lead generation, as you can see, I just ended it. I kind of like deleted the thing, which I should not have related the thing. So here, as you can see, I generated almost 80 leads, and every lead cost me around 8 cents. I spent six and a half for the lead generation, and I spent almost three and a half for the YouTube videos, because I just don't want to run them anymore. I was just trying to see how this thing works. And also you can schedule it, so if you want to run it for like a month or like days, it's up to you. You will always be able to set the schedule every time you want to run this ad or you want to run your campaign. Also, it's going to show you the CPM, cost per thousand impression. It's 37 cents. It was 37 cents for the lead generation. It was 38 cents for the YouTube post that I kind of like trying to get more subscribers. So yeah, I mean, you can run it literally for like everything, for YouTube channels, for your business, whatever, or maybe your website, or maybe if you're doing affiliate marketing, we can do that too. Or if you are trying to get more people to see your post or ads or anything, or if you're just trying to push up your Facebook page, you can definitely do it. I hope this information gonna help you guys to understand how this Facebook ads work, and how easily you can get more people information to help your businesses, or help you to make more income, or whatever you are trying to get. So normally you get people information for your business. So I hope you guys will not do anything illegal, because Facebook is pretty strict, and if they get something which is kind of like fishy or which is really not legal, they will ban you. So they will disable your account. So you don't want to do that. Just stay away from that, because they're pretty strict, and even not only Facebook, YouTube too. So just keep an eye on it. Just keep just remember that there's people watching, because nowadays everything is about data, and everything is about kind of like you know website, and this the architecture dependence. So there's people watching on you, so if anything kind of like hits up, then you're gonna be flagged, and if you're flagged, then you're gonna have problem. So also it's going to show you the link had, I mean the clicks it had, I mean you how much clicks your link had. So my link had like 1538 clicks. My YouTube channel had like 120 links. So also it's going to give you the cost, CPC, which is cost per something. Let me see. Trying to see cost per link. So cost per link click was 0.3 cent, and for the video it was 0.004. It depends on the YouTube. I mean Facebook's structure of the you know their price setup. The link it had clicked. Yeah, I just moved it up. So as you can see the numbers in here, and it's going to show you the percentage, and the part impression was like 6.8% in total, 8%, almost like 8.8% for the lead generation. So that is it, guys. I hope all this information going to help you to understand and make you more successful using Facebook Meta. And it's also encourage you to run more ads in here. um I hope you guys are gonna like my video, and please do subscribe and help me to achieve my goal in here, and also help me to tell you guys more about more stuff like this. And also please do like my page in here, and if you are using Facebook, I do have links available for the Instagram and other stuff. So please keep an eye, and I wish you guys all the best, and I should wish you guys best of luck, and please be safe, take care, and have a nice day. Bye bye.